Hey, what's up everybody? This is C.L.S. all-in-one. Today I'll show you how to put your Samsung refrigerator in forced defrost mode. This can come in real handy if your ice maker is no longer working and has a lot of ice buildup. The Samsung refrigerator ice makers unfortunately are plagued with a lot of ice buildup issues due to a very poor design. But this ice buildup issue can be managed by using the forced defrost mode, which will completely thaw the ice maker chamber and hopefully get your ice maker working again. Now before we get started, I would like to mention I would not consider this a permanent fix, and more than likely this will have to be done a couple times a year. So let's get started. The first step is going to be to put the freezer in defrost mode. And to do this, we're going to hold the freezer button and the lighting button at the same time for right around 8 seconds. And this step might take a couple tries to do this properly. And you should hear a chime once it does go into defrost mode. Now what you want to do is push the lighting button to cycle through the defrost modes. And what we're looking for is the forced defrost mode, which is going to be FD. So now I'm in forced defrost mode, and this will cycle for about 30 minutes, and you're going to hear a beeping sound that sounds like this. And while you're waiting for the fridge to defrost, you can go ahead and remove the ice bin. And just to let you know, I did not remove any food from my fridge. This whole process should take less than an hour, so your food should be safe. And here's a look at the ice maker, and as you can see here, there's some ice buildup on the bottom of it. And for extreme situations where you have a lot of ice buildup, you might have to run that defrost mode 2 different cycles to get rid of that ice buildup. And during this defrost cycle, I did leave the left side of the refrigerator open, that way you could defrost a little bit faster. And while it's defrosting, especially if you have some ice buildup, it'd be a good idea to put a rag or towel inside that compartment to soak up any moisture that drips from that ice maker. Now it's time to just patiently wait for right around 30 minutes for the forced defrost cycle to complete. And once it is done, the beeping sound will stop. And now it's time to put the ice bin back in place. So now I need to wait for my fridge to reach proper cooling temperature. And while waiting, I made sure to turn my ice maker off so it doesn't cycle until it's cold enough. And after waiting just a little while, my fridge has cooled off quite a bit. The fridge is at 38 degrees and the freezer is at 4 degrees. And these temperatures work really well with my fridge. Now it's time to go ahead and turn my ice maker back on, and I'm going to go ahead and wait a full day, then come back and check my ice maker bin compartment. Okay, it's been about 24 hours and we'll take a look at the ice bin compartment to see if the ice maker is working again. And it appears to be working, and I've got a full bin of ice. And as I mentioned earlier, this is not a permanent fix, but this might make using your ice maker somewhat manageable by using the forced defrost mode when the ice buildup starts to occur. Now I do have a Samsung ice maker upgrade and replacement video that can be considered a more permanent fix for the ice buildup issues, and I will put a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, if you could hit that like button, and have yourself a great day, and I'll see you next time.